Hey everyone, Marque here. If you're an Apple user, you need to stop what you're doing and listen up. Apple has just released an urgent update to fix some pretty serious zero-day vulnerabilities that hackers are actively exploiting right now. So, what exactly is a zero-day vulnerability? In simple terms, it's a security flaw that the developers don't know about yet. Hackers find these holes and exploit them before the company can patch them up. That's why they're called zero-day vulnerabilities. There's 0 day of warning. These latest vulnerabilities affect iPhones, iPads, and Mac computers. Apple hasn't disclosed too much about the specifics, but they did say that these flaws could allow attackers to take control of your device, steal personal information, and potentially install malicious software without you even knowing it. Now here's the kicker. These vulnerabilities are already being exploited in the wild. That means hackers are actively using these flaws to compromise devices as we speak. Scary, right? So, what do you need to do? First, make sure your device is backed up. This is super important because things can sometimes go wrong during an update. Once you're backed up, head over to your settings. For iPhone and iPad users, go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update. For Mac users, click on the Apple menu, select System Preferences, then Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it immediately. This isn't one of those updates you can afford to put off until later. Trust me, you don't want to leave your device vulnerable to hackers. While you're at it, take a moment to check your apps too. Sometimes third-party apps can have vulnerabilities that need patching as well. Make sure all your apps are up to date by heading to the App Store and checking for updates. And remember, this isn't just about protecting your own data. If your device gets compromised, it could be used to attack others as well. So updating your device is a way of protecting your friends, family, and even strangers from potential cyber attacks. In the tech world, security is an ongoing battle. No system is ever completely secure, and companies like Apple are constantly working to stay one step ahead of the bad guys. But they can't do it alone. They need us, the users, to stay vigilant and keep our devices up to date. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. And hey, if you know someone who uses an Apple device, share this video with them. Let's keep everyone safe out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.